Dedicated to the continued advancement in the ever-evolving world of 3D printing, Lubrizol 3D Printing Solutions wanted to expand their offering beyond materials, application development, and testing. This led to Lubrizol's acquisition of Avid Product Development in 2020. Avid Product Development features strong design for additive manufacturing, printing, and post-processing capabilities. To capture Avid's extensive capabilities, the team created a sample shock absorber, spring bellows, concept spring, and custom packaging, as well as an electronics enclosure, allowing Avid to highlight the differentiated capability that helps customers achieve scalable additive manufacturing results. The pre-assembled shock absorber includes a traditional coil spring, 3D printed in PA11, and multiple components produced in PA12. The surface of the spring is vapor smoothed. The shock body features uniquely designed panels finished with various post-processing techniques for improved aesthetics and part quality. Manufactured with S-Stain 3D TPU M95A, the spring bellows provides exceptional rebound and low levels of permanent deformation following prolonged periods of compression. The concept spring utilizes design for additive manufacturing and generative design tools to alter the versatile performance of S-Stain TPU M95A. The custom packaging features a unique viewing window with a lattice structure printed in S-Stain TPU M95A, a non-marring material suitable for Class A surfaces and other high-value finishes. The electronics enclosure features an integrated button and a multi-material design in PA12 and ultra-clear resin for enhanced visual appeal. Contact us today to see how our enhanced capabilities can best serve your business needs.